Hey guys, today it's me talking about a typical day in life of a data analyst. So this particular day I chose because it's a lot more fun than usual. Otherwise it's just typical just work and work and work. So let's start. So the day starts with me coming earlier than usual office people and office time, as I like to set my space up and get into my fields before all the people I get surrounded by them. So then I start by my daily reporting of data that I do for the data that I have been tracking and that I have been observing and the work in general. And of course, I need to take 2 cups of my morning coffee that gets me going in a way. And then I take my third cup that actually wakes me up and keep me energized. Then when I'm done with all the never ending meetings and get set up for another, I go back to write some script for report generation for both SQL and Python so that this reporting somewhat can be automated. I'm working on full automation, but that's a longer run. But right now, some part I am trying to automate and some I have done. So and basically it will be linked to dashboard so the higher authority can have better look, higher authority manager and CEO. So yeah, I'm working on that. And then my colleagues, 2 3 mainly, drags me to drink chai with them. That's downstairs, like in our building, office building. So I had to be present there. So I had badam tea that was super nice, like Irani chai kind of. It was nice. And today, since I'm having less work and less meeting, I'm actually planning on leaving quick at the exact office finish time. And then I had a quick walk back to PG, and once I come back I got fresh and changed my clothes to meet my junior slash roommate from university. So technically he was from different branch, but he was my junior only. So he is from Andhra Pradesh and he was traveling to Hyderabad. So we arranged a common time and we met. So it was, it was a good time when you didn't record or uh, took any pictures other than one two that he took. But yeah, our focus was not that. So we had a good talk and we didn't record any footage. So and then I had to go with my colleagues to a restaurant slash bar. So I met my colleagues there. They drank like alcohol, beer and stuff, but being the guy that I am, I didn't, and I'm never going to also. So I had just my juices as usual. But yeah, the food was really good. I had my non-veg, my fish and my what was it, some kind of chicken. It was so super nice. And then I told them that I have to go back and get my rest. So I went back to PG, and that was, I think it was around 12. So I didn't record that obviously because I couldn't. So and I'm just putting a cafe shot there because I couldn't record with my colleagues there because they were having fun and it didn't seem right to do that. So in this clip I tried matcha for the first time, and let me tell you, it was not my cup of tea and I felt so bad about it. So yeah, never trying that again. So yeah, I came back tired and messaged my better half, and I think she was sleeping, so I went to sleep. Yeah. So yeah, the day was finished like that and I slept. So yeah, I'll keep on making more videos like this and see you guys again.